Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the compressor model and current system data because correct parts and refrigerant depend on that. Once done, isolate power and apply lockout-tagout. This prevents accidental starts. Next, relieve pressure methodically and use gauges to record static pressures. That tells you if the compressor is truly failed versus valve issues. Make sure to wear eye and hand protection and stage tools. Manifold, vacuum pump, recovery cylinder. You'll move immediately into controlled recovery next. You recover refrigerant into a certified cylinder first, because safe recovery preserves charge and complies with law. Then, disconnect lines methodically, labeling each fitting. Cap open ports to prevent contamination. Inspect oil for metal shavings or discoloration. That tells you if the system suffered catastrophic failure. Install the new compressor. Align and torque bolts to the manufacturer's spec to prevent leaks and motor misalignment. Replace the filter dryer and sight glass so moisture and debris won't recontaminate the system. You evacuate the system to around 500 microns because that level removes non-condensables and moisture. Then perform a nitrogen pressure hold test to confirm tightness. Once sealed, charge using the specified refrigerant mass and adjust by monitoring superheat and subcooling to hit target cooling performance. Run the compressor through cycles, logging discharge and suction temps, and watch oil return. If cooling is poor or oil pools, check for leaks. Wrong charge or TXV issues. That single tip often fixes stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.